Have you ever wondered about the story behind the striking yet notorious Musk Thistle? This intriguing plant, known scientifically as Carduus nutans, has a tale filled with mystery and controversy. Originating from a land far away, it now thrives in the soils of the United States, eliciting a range of reactions from awe to concern. Its unique characteristics, medicinal value, and impact on the environment are just some facets of its complex narrative. Join us on this botanical journey as we unfold the fascinating tale of the musk thistle. Our story begins across the Atlantic, in the diverse landscapes of Europe and Western Asia. The musk thistle, scientifically known as Carduus nutans, is a native of these parts, thriving in a variety of environments from rocky hillsides to fertile meadows. Possessing a unique botanical charm, this plant is distinguished by its large nodding purple flowers and spiny feathered leaves. In the early 20th century, the musk thistle embarked on a journey to North America, likely hitching a ride with imported goods or livestock. Unbeknownst to the settlers, this seemingly harmless flower carried with it an aggressive survival instinct. It rapidly adapted to its new environment, exploiting the rich soils and favorable climates, and began to spread uncontrollably. Little did we know this foreign invader was about to transform the American landscape in ways we could hardly imagine. Like a coin with two sides, the musk thistle holds a dual nature. This thorny plant, with its bold purple blooms, can be both a blessing and a curse, depending on how you look at it. Let's start with the positives. Musk thistle is known for its medicinal properties. Traditional healers have used this plant for centuries to treat ailments ranging from digestive disorders to skin conditions. Its seeds are rich in unsaturated fatty acids and flavonoids, substances that have been linked to a host of health benefits. In addition to its medicinal value, musk thistle plays a crucial role in supporting wildlife. Its nectar-rich flowers are a magnet for bees, butterflies, and other pollinators. The plant's dense foliage provides shelter for small creatures, and its seeds are a valuable food source for birds in the winter months. But while musk thistle can be a boon for some, it can also be a bane for others. This plant is a classic example of an invasive species. Native to Europe and Asia, it was introduced to North America in the early 19th century and has since spread like wildfire, outcompeting native plants for resources and altering natural habitats. Furthermore, musk thistle's aggressive proliferation poses a significant challenge. A single plant can produce over 100,000 seeds, which can remain viable in the soil for over a decade. This ensures the plant's survival and spread, even in adverse conditions. The plant's deep root system, which can extend several feet into the ground, makes it difficult to eradicate. This not only allows it to access water and nutrients unavailable to other plants, but it also makes it incredibly resilient, capable of bouncing back after attempts to remove it. The negative impacts of musk thistle extend to native species as well. By outcompeting them for resources, it threatens biodiversity and disrupts the delicate balance of local ecosystems. So, is musk thistle a botanical friend or foe? The answer is not as simple as it seems. This plant, like many others, has both beneficial and detrimental aspects. Its true nature, it seems, depends on the perspective from which it is viewed. To understand the musk thistle, we must explore its life cycle, from a single seed to a towering plant. The life of a musk thistle begins as a tiny seed, which can lie dormant in the soil for up to 10 years, waiting for the right conditions to germinate. Once it begins to grow, it forms a rosette, a circular arrangement of leaves close to the ground in its first year. The root system of the musk thistle is deep and extensive, allowing it to access water and nutrients from far below the surface. This is one of the reasons why the plant is so resilient and hard to eradicate. In its second year, the musk thistle goes into overdrive. It shoots up to a height of 6 feet or more, topped by a spiky purple flower head. This dramatic growth is made possible by the energy stored in its roots during the previous year. But perhaps the most remarkable aspect of the musk thistle's life is its seed production. Each flower head can produce up to 1,200 seeds, which are dispersed by the wind, covering a wide area. Over its lifetime, a single musk thistle plant can produce a staggering 100,000 seeds. This robust survivor, with its deep roots and thousands of seeds, is a formidable opponent in the battle for biodiversity. While the musk thistle may seem like an unbeatable adversary, hope is not lost. As with any formidable opponent, the key to success lies in understanding the enemy and devising a strategic plan of attack. Musk thistle control methods are as diverse as they are effective, ranging from traditional approaches to the more innovative. Mechanical control involving the physical removal of the plant has long been a trusted method. This can be achieved through mowing, hand-pulling, or even using specialized equipment to sever the plant's deep taproot. However, timing is crucial. To prevent the release of seeds, removal should ideally occur before the musk thistle reaches the flowering stage. Chemical control, another widely used strategy, involves the application of herbicides. Again, timing and technique are paramount to prevent collateral damage to non-target species and to maximize effectiveness. Herbicides are usually most effective when applied during the rosette stage of the plant's life cycle. Biological control methods offer an intriguing and environmentally friendly alternative. This approach uses the musk thistle's natural enemies to keep its population in check. For instance, the thistlehead weevil and the thistle rosette weevil, both native to Europe, have been introduced in some regions as biological control agents. These weevils lay their eggs inside the thistle, and their larvae feed on the plant, significantly reducing its ability to produce seeds. Innovative approaches are continually being explored too. For example, some researchers are investigating the potential of fungal pathogens to control musk thistle populations. The battle against the musk thistle is not a one-size-fits-all fight. It requires a combination of methods, tailored to the local environment and specific conditions. It's a dynamic process of trial, error, and adaptation. As we continue to grapple with the musk thistle, we are reminded of the delicate balance of our ecosystems and the ongoing challenge of preserving biodiversity.